I sold my dog to feed my drug addiction. For some quick context, my name is Parker and I'm 23 years old. Over the past 3 years I've been heavily addicted to cocaine. My entire family has cut me off completely and my friends are becoming more and more distant. 2 days ago, I was really craving for a line. The only problem is I was completely broke, so I spent roughly 3 hours brainstorming ways to get some money before I realized what I had to do. The specifics aren't important, but basically I sold my dog for cocaine. This seemed like an incredible idea at the time, but when I finally finished off the bag, the guilt began to kick in. I missed my dog more than anything and spent the day crying instead of trying to get him back. Today I felt hopeless and out of options, but I did manage to purchase another half gram of cocaine though. I really need to get my puppy back. If you have any advice or ideas, please let me know.